Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Redmi 12, and now I'm gonna show you how to extend RAM on this device. To RAM expansion, you need to open the settings, then find about phone here, check your RAM. As you can see, I have 4 GB plus 2, so I have 4 real gigabytes and 2 virtual gigabytes, and we can change the virtual RAM space. To do it, open settings, scroll down, find additional settings, scroll down again, find a memory extension and choose it, for example 3 GB, and then you will need to reboot your device, of course. Click reboot button and reboot your smartphone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.